Hello, everyone. It's Jeanne Alleva. I had something very unusual happen to myself last night. I had heard that the aurora borealis, or colors in the night sky, were going to be visible in my area over the last day or so, and that is very unusual in my area in the Northeast U.S. And so I was very excited about it. Really, really wanted to see it. And I had already tried driving to a local park where it would be darker, but there was cloud cover. So I thought, let me just go out into my backyard and see what I see. So I knew I had to turn off as many lights as possible because light, keeps you from seeing the night sky and the stars. So I turned off all the lights, inside and out, and I grabbed my phone and I walked into the backyard, and it was pitch black dark. Like I couldn't barely see in front of my face, but I could barely make out that there was a picnic table there. So I set my phone up. I tried to take some pictures, and then I thought, you know what? I think it's actually the other direction that the aurora will be appearing. So I turned around and I started walking back in the other way, and I tripped over some rocks in a garden, and because I couldn't see them in the dark, and I fell hard. I went face down. Luckily, I did not hit my face. My phone made terrible crunching sounds. I landed on, both of my hands. I slammed onto the slate rocks. It was a hard fall and it stunned me. But my first thought was, oh my gosh, I wonder if my phone shattered. Luckily, it did not. That was the first miracle. The other miracle is that I was not badly injured. Minor things with my hands and the side of my body, but I was fine. And my point here is that when you really want something, sometimes, when you go for it, you might stumble, you might fall, but you pick yourself up, you dust yourself off, and you keep going for that thing that you want. And in this case, I really wanted to see the aurora. I wanted to see the colors in the night sky, and it was worth it to me. And I think it was just about understanding that sometimes when you're going into, say, the unknown, there will be times when we encounter challenges or we stumble, but we pick ourselves up. We always keep our eye on the goal and we keep going, and we do it with good humor and good faith and the knowledge that if we never give up, we're going to get there. And it was absolutely a bizarre moment for me. I am perfectly fine. I am okay. And I'm ready for my next attempt to go out and go after my goals and dreams. And I will see the aurora one day. So anyway, thank you so much for listening today.